Step out of my business, try to find your own. Shut your mouth, you weak bitch. Know your place, get gone. You was bout that life on the internet. Okay, bet, put up your dukes. Don't make me put my hands on you. What you said, repeat that. Keep it cute or get smacked. You ain't on my level, just face the facts. You are pressed like a panini hoe. Fix your face, stay mad, just go. Don't make me put my hands on you. I know I ain't about that life, this is too ratchet for me. Y'all know I'm too pretty for this shit. This guy's got him shook to death.
Hope he doesn't try to come for me.
I'ma go ahead and let y'all have all this.
Come get these hands.
Don't let me have to beat your ass down. Keep talking, you'll get
Come
chewed.
get these hands.
You're nothing but a keyboard gangster, and it is clear that I don't fuck with you. Please just shut the hell up. Try to get alive. Listen up, you weak whore, before I set you right. I don't speak broke, you little joke. So girl, bye, go on, just shoo. Don't make me put my hands on you.
Get these hands.
Don't make me have to beat your ass down. Keep talking, you'll get
Come get these
chewed.
hands.
You're nothing but a keyboard gangster, and it is clear that I don't fuck with you.
Come get these hands.
Don't make me have to beat your ass down. Keep talking, you'll get
Come get
chewed.
these hands.
You're nothing but a keyboard gangster, and it is clear that I